Wouldn't it be great if your students could draw a bass clef that actually looks like a bass clef without having one in front of them to copy from? Hey beautiful teachers, my name's Nicola. I'm a piano teacher in Dublin in Ireland, and on this channel I share tips and ideas and tutorials for piano teachers to help you have more fun while you're teaching and to help make your students' lessons more enjoyable too. Now, before we get into the tutorial, and you can jump forward to that using the chapter marker, I want to explain to you why this matters, because it might seem like in this day and age, students do not need to do hand notation. It might seem a bit antiquated, but I promise you most composers I know notate things by hand before they input into notation software. And by notating things by hand, you understand music in a whole other way. So even though it might seem like something we should leave in the dark ages, it is definitely not. After all, students are still learning to write in school, aren't they? They still learn to write their own language. We haven't gotten rid of that yet. So I think we need to teach them hand notation as well. So let's get started drawing that bass clef. To draw a bass clef, we're going to start with a circle on line 4. And then we're going to color that circle in so that it looks like this. So it's just a dot sitting on line 4. Now we need to add a sort of half heart shape. This half heart goes all the way up to touch the top line and then comes back down to sit in the bottom space. It should look like this. Next we need to draw 2 circles in the top 2 spaces and color them in so that they look like this. And that is your finished bass clef. It's not a difficult shape. It's all about following the correct lines and spaces to start and finish on, and then it will look neat and tidy and just like your printed music. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.